Hope all is well. Today's June 19th, 2023. Happy Father's Day from yesterday to all the fathers out there. I'm going to a no AC call in, basically just says it's overcooling. So who knows what that could be. Maybe the contactor's stuck in. Maybe they're just shot, the people. But let's see what it is. I'm actually going to head over to White Plains, New York, Westchester County. It's like 20 minutes from New York City, 25. But it's going to be like 78, 80 all week. I think sunny today and tomorrow and then rain. But that's it. Let's see what it is. Hopefully there's no choppers, helicopters. But that's it. I want to give a shout out to Adrian at Reliable HVACR. That was cool on Instagram the other night. I really appreciate that. I'm not really good with Instagram, so I don't know if I liked it too many times or whatever. However, I might have. I don't know. I'm just not good with it. But thank you so much. You got. And everybody, this whole, like we've all said, this whole community is amazing. Steve, Ryan, Adrian, Blogger, Chris from HVACR videos. And the names keep going. I don't. Steve Lav, but so many people. Jennifer Manzo, Jumperman Tech. I don't know, I could keep going, but whoever I forgot. Curtis, HVAC guy. That's my middle name too, Curtis. That's what's crazy. My middle name's Curtis. And also, can't forget Anti-DIY. But all right, guys, let's go to this job. Also, Mike from MGF Mechanical. There's just so many. And then as far as like Brian Sanders, Hugh Holt, Sam Andrew. As far as just the whole community is amazing. So that's it. I'm sure I forgot mad people, but. I've learned so much from everybody, always. Steve from Everything HVACR the other day was posting something. I think it was a Carrier rooftop, and just his dedication to his job is second to none. Like there was one issue, and then he went through, like we all should, but went through everything as far as rub outs and. I don't know. It was simple. It was a simple call too, with the trip breaker, but he really went over and above. You know, he's just good, like everybody. Also, Rick, HVAC or Survival, another one who I've been watching for a long time. Learned a lot. But like I said, I'm forgetting people. But everybody, this community is great. So checking, basically no fan with a call from the thermostat. Excuse me. 24 volts. 24 volts on my transformer side. Okay, so we come back. I bet you they have one of the thermostats set to heat. I gotta check. LED cooling. Let's see. This is comes in here. This comes back. This white comes back. Okay, so here. This comes over here, zone 2. Okay. Someone messed with this, with the capped. Told you I hate these. I have jumpers, but these are just in my bag. This goes down. All right, so that one wasn't working. This one was overcooling. So let me go bring the thermostat back up, see if it stops. Okay, the one that was overcooling is Michelle. It's still 72, so let's bring that to 73. Hold. This one she said was overcooling also. It's maintaining also. Okay, this I have the power off upstairs. And let's see what happens. We gotta. Gotta walk 4 miles just to get to the truck. I gotta wait now for somebody to come somewhere to this wing of the house. It's crazy. She's coming. Nice. Shut off fine. So this is doing its job. Unless I check zoning. Maybe one of the zones are bad. We'll see. Hey. Switch right here. It's all in one circuit. And was not wired to my Y. It was bad connection. So I was getting my fan, but I wasn't getting my outside 24 volts. So now if I go ahead and jump it, it'll all kick on. Or I'll go to the thermostat. Okay, power outside. That's what they said. Okay, so you got 2 zones closed, 2 open. And this was closed before. It's nice. Missed that. Okay, so we have 7 just to see that it turns off. And we're gonna do hold temp. And we're gonna do hold. And this one is the one that's running right now, so that. Yeah, that's why. Okay, so let's turn that off for a second. The other one that with the zones, or with the 4 zones. Set point hold, set point hold. Okay. Okay, that stopped. Good. There you go. That's starting to open. This is starting to open. I think the motor's starting to fail in it, the actuator. It's open. So we're going to Alyssa and Jacqueline. Okay, and this one, main hallway. I want to see if they close, hold. And this one, I want to see if it holds. Hey, Rosa?
Well, we need hopefully a couple more weeks, right?
Oh, this one's on heat. Beautiful.
Today what he says. The doctor. We'll see what he has to say today.
Should be laundry room. Thank you. Cool. So let's see if they open or close. Give these a second to do what they're doing. Let me just look at this. This is the other system. 1, 2. Okay. These are all up. And this is the problem she's having. Oh, let me check voltage and all that on there. I'll get my meter in a minute. These wires right here, which should tell me zone 4 is laundry. I'm looking for main, so zone 3. Which comes here. Down here. Okay, I'll check voltage on this one. Zone 3. Comes out. Common would go. This is probably the humidistat. Okay. Yeah. These are opening and closing as they're supposed to. These two are calling. Laundry room main stair. And this one is also doing the same. So you got open, and then close there in the guest bedroom. Okay. So we're looking for system 8. I gotta go find the guest bedroom bath. And 2018 it was low in 410. Let's see what it is outside. Good here. Got 2-inch filters in there. Everything's good there. And found system low on refrigerant 2018. That was another company. 12-degree subcooling. These guys are stuck. So I have here, which is zone 1 and zone 2 that are open, or that are red. Let me see. Yeah, so they're closed. Zone 1 and zone 2, but they're calling, right? These are open. Let me see something if I unscrew that for a second. Satisfy, and if they did, I'm going to pull the boxes. Okay, this is the first one we were working with, so we could put that to temporary, wherever they like it. 72, 74. You gotta love it when they start touching stuff and you're working on it. Yeah, love it. Please don't touch the thermostat. Laundry, I'm sure it's cooling. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's on hold. I had it on heat. I just set this a minute ago. Hey guys. I mean, really? Unreal. Open, open, opening. This one hasn't opened yet. But I wouldn't anyway. Unless it's, let me see this. Closed. It's seized, I think. Okay. Let me see if I can open them. Alright, let's just do that. There you go. So I'll show you what I did. Now that it's opening. So this board, to me, I don't see these boards much. But this is my zone right here. And these pull out and it wasn't properly hitting the pins. So that's why that zone wasn't opening. It was staying closed. And that was her issue. So right now all the thermostats are calling. And they're functional. That's good. Beautiful. Michelle's bedroom, she says, oh no, I'm sorry. This one, she says, doesn't, like it gets too cool. I guess it doesn't close on demand, and we're gonna go check that now. Main staircase, main stair hallway. Old main stair hallway. And while I'm here, I'll close that one for Michelle's room. Those two are fixed. I'll go in the laundry room. Just off. Check a couple humidifiers for them. This was in here. Yeah. Should be a light in here too, but I'll put this on for now. Yeah, there it is. Make sure everything's off. Yeah, it should be off. This is the other system here. Same issue. Zone 1, even though it's on the first one. This one was stuck closed to Alyssa's room. Okay. Beautiful.
Thought they had another humidifier here. Let's turn this off here. Okay. Good. Beautiful. I think there's an air handler in here somewhere. If I'm not mistaken. No, there's not, huh? All right. Okay. So these condensers are pretty cool back here. This is only half the house. Pretty dope. Yeah, coils need to be cleaned big time, bro. They need maintenance here. I'll let them know. This place is crazy. Nope, not that room. Okay. 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 38% humidity. Oh man. Yep. There's the other condensers. Maze that keeps on giving. Here's one condenser of the 9 million. How do I get in there? Asinine condenser, 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 condenser. Wow. Ooh. That's crazy. That's just some rich people problems. Alright, well I gotta add 410 to that one right there. Not this one. This one moving heat now. I wasn't gonna film under there, guys. I don't know what's under there.
Alright guys, that's a Rizat. So when I first started this video, I said the house was overcooling. That's why, like I said, I don't follow anything that anybody says. Because the one that was supposedly overcooling was stuck closed. So, I mean, I don't know. And then the other one, they break Y on the float switch, and
it wasn't connected, so the condenser wasn't coming on, so that couldn't have been cooling. So whatever, it was little stuff. It wasn't anything that great of a video, but it was fun. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And that's it. I appreciate it. Take care.